All right, drone enthusiasts, buckle up, because we've got some juicy leaks about the DJI Air 4 that might just blow your mind. If these rumors are even half true, this could be a massive upgrade for DJI's Air series. We're talking design tweaks, next-level camera tech, and flight performance improvements that could make the Air 4 a standout. Oh, and get this, it might even borrow features from the yet-to-be-announced Mavic 4. Exciting, right? Let's dive in. The biggest leak so far comes courtesy of drone insider Jasper Ellens, who dropped an image of what looks like a crash-tested prototype of the Air 4. This gives us our first real peek at DJI's latest toy. At first glance, the design feels familiar, kind of like the Air 3, but there are definitely some notable changes. For starters, it's got two distinct sensors and an LED beacon. These features actually line up with what's rumored for the Mavic 4, so it looks like DJI could be unifying their drone sensor designs across the lineup. And then there's the real game changer, the upgraded LiDAR sensor array up front. This could mean huge improvements in obstacle detection and night flying capabilities, making it a dream for pilots who love capturing low-light shots. But wait, there's more. The arms on this prototype look beefier, stronger, and more durable compared to the Air 3. So not only is this thing built to perform, but it might also be able to take a few bumps along the way. That's always a win, especially for adventurous flyers. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. Quadro News, the leaker with a solid track record, shared another mysterious image. This one shows a drone perched above what seems to be the upcoming Mavic 4 Pro. Could this be the Air 4? Or maybe even the Mini 5? Either way, it's clear DJI is testing prototypes, which means a launch might not be too far off. Let's talk about features, because the speculation here is downright exciting. One of the biggest upgrades could be dual 1-inch cameras. Imagine the low-light performance and image quality on that. If DJI also throws in a variable aperture, we're talking serious control over exposure, perfect for those buttery cinematic shots. And for the video creators out there, rumors suggest 4K video at higher frame rates, better dynamic range, and richer colors. Oh, and there's even a whisper about a mechanical shutter to cut down on motion distortion. If that's true, professionals are going to be all over this. On the safety side, it looks like the Air 4 might take obstacle detection to a whole new level. Leaks point to 360-degree detection powered by LiDAR, which could make this one of the safest drones in its class. Combine that with a rumored flight time of up to 50 minutes, that's right, 50, and you've got a machine built for endurance. So, when can we get our hands on this thing? The leaks suggest a late 2025 release, which lines up with DJI's usual 2-year upgrade cycle for the Air series. As for the price, expect something close to the Air 3's $199 launch price. But if those high-end features make it in, we wouldn't be surprised by a slight bump. Look, if even half of these rumors pan out, the DJI Air 4 is shaping up to be a game changer. With a redesigned sensor array, killer low-light performance, longer battery life, and pro-level camera features, it could be the ultimate drone for both casual pilots and professionals. But hey, it's DJI, and they're known for throwing in a few surprises before launch. So while these leaks are exciting, let's keep our expectations in check until we get an official announcement. What do you think? Are these upgrades enough to make you upgrade to the Air 4? Or are you waiting for the Mavic 4 to steal the spotlight? Let us know in the comments below. DJI seems poised to set a new standard with the long-rumored Osmo Pocket 4. Although there hasn't been an official announcement yet, the leaks are already generating serious buzz. If even half of these rumors hold true, we might witness a revolution in portable camera technology. This isn't just another minor update. It could be a game changer for vloggers, content creators, and anyone looking to elevate their mobile video production. So, what makes the DJI Pocket 4 such a hot topic? Let's dive into the details. Let's start with the design. According to leaks, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 might sport a slightly larger frame, weighing in at around 190 grams, still compact but with room for exciting upgrades. A key highlight is the rumored 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen with a 480 by 800 resolution and 800 nits of brightness. For context, that's a significant improvement over the 2-inch display on the Pocket 3. Whether you're framing a shot in bright sunlight or navigating menus, this screen could make the experience much more user-friendly. Additionally, the ergonomics might see a revamp with a textured grip and better button placement, making long shooting sessions more comfortable. For vloggers and travelers, this could be a game changer in usability. Under the hood, the Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f2.0 lens. This upgrade promises sharper images and vastly improved low-light performance. With an ISO range of 50 to 16400 for video and up to 16,000 for stills, the camera could handle everything from bright daylight to dim, atmospheric scenes with ease. For creators who prioritize color accuracy and flexibility, the Pocket 4 might support 10-bit color depth, HDR recording, and D-Log-M. This means more vibrant footage and greater control in post-production, allowing you to fine-tune every frame. Now, let's talk about video quality. If the leaks are accurate, the Pocket 4 could deliver 4K video at 240 frames per second, double the slow-motion capability of the Pocket 3. Imagine capturing cinematic slow-motion shots with crystal-clear detail. Pair that with the enhanced dynamic range from the 1-inch sensor, and you've got a portable camera that can handle anything from sports events to breathtaking landscapes. The processor is also expected to get a boost, enabling faster workflows, better image processing, and real-time HDR previews. For creators who need quick turnaround times, this could be a major advantage. One common pain point in previous models was autofocus. The Pocket 4 is rumored to address this with phase detection autofocus and eye tracking. Whether you're vlogging in a busy city or capturing fast-moving subjects, the camera should lock onto your focus with precision and reliability. And with the new ActiveTrack 7.0, subject tracking could become even more seamless, combining phase detection and eye tracking for smooth, professional-looking footage. What about battery life? The Pocket 4 is rumored to feature improved power management, offering longer recording times without overheating. Fast charging is also in the mix, with the potential to fully charge in just 25 minutes using DJI's PD charger. This is a welcome upgrade for creators constantly on the move. Stabilization is another area where DJI might raise the bar. The Pocket 4 could combine its signature mechanical gimbal stabilization with advanced electronic algorithms, delivering smoother footage even in high-motion scenarios. Whether it's fast pans or action shots, this camera could handle it with ease. Of course, all these upgrades come at a price. The Pocket 4 is rumored to start at $699 for the standard version, with a creator combo priced at $799. It's a step up from the Pocket 3, but with all the improvements, it seems like a solid investment for serious creators. As for the release date, rumors suggest we could see the Pocket 4 as early as late 2026 or early 2027, following DJI's typical 3-year cycle. If these features turn out to be real, the wait will definitely be worth it. So, is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 worth the hype? Based on these leaks, it seems like DJI is listening to what creators need: a portable, powerful camera that doesn't compromise on quality. From the improved design and usability to the 1-inch sensor, slow motion capabilities, and longer battery life, it's shaping up to be a game changer. Whether you're a vlogger, a filmmaker, or just someone who loves documenting life's adventures, the Pocket 4 could be the ultimate tool for capturing stunning, professional quality footage. We can't wait to see what DJI officially announces. What features are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below.